Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command cd space c: /.
Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command.
Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c: /bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.